Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 8 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 8 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter transformations and similarity. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. So here I am on grade 8 math. The chapter we are on is transformations and similarity. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is similar and congruent figures. Are these shapes similar? So shapes are similar if their corresponding angles are congruent and their corresponding sides are proportional, right? So just look at their angles, right? You can match the angles have the same arc, right? Angle Q is similar to angle W, angle R is similar to angle X, angle T is similar to angle V, and angle S is similar to angle Y. So all the angles are congruent in the figure, right? Now let's just look at their side lengths. Okay, you have to divide the similar side lengths, right? You have like QR is similar to WX, right? So all the side lengths have exactly same ratio. QR is similar, QR and WX have the ratio 37 over 33. RX and XY have the ratio 27 over 27. ST and V, they must have exactly the same ratio, right? The ratios are not all the same, so the corresponding sides are not proportional. Since the corresponding sides are not proportional, the shapes are not similar, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, are these shape congruent? So we have to see the shapes are congruent. Let's just see. Okay, angle Q is congruent to angle S, angle P is congruent to angle T, angle N is congruent to angle V, and angle O is congruent to angle U. Now let's just look at the similar sides, right? SV is similar to QR, that is 36 over 31, and VU is similar to VQ, that is 36 over 31, because that's a square. All side lengths are exactly same. That means they have the same ratio. So yes, that is the shapes are congruent. So yes, they are congruent. The correct option is yes. Why they are similar? ST. Okay, so the correct option is no, they are not congruent. Are these shapes similar? Yes, they are similar. The correct option is yes. Are these shapes similar? Yes, they are similar. They are similar. Why no? Oh, their side ratio is not same, right? Because you have 38 here. So 31 over 38, they all the side lengths have exactly same ratio. So because they have the different side lengths, so the correct option is no, sorry. Are these shapes similar? The correct option is no, they are not similar because they have this different side lengths. So the correct option is no. What the they have the same ratio, 25 over 20 and 35 over 28. They are equivalent to 5 over 4. So, yes, they are similar. Okay. Are these shapes similar? The correct option is no, they are not similar. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is dilation. Graph the image. Graph the parallelogram TUVW after dilation with a scale 4 with a scale factor of 4 centered at the origin. So you have to dilate the image, right? Dilation means you have to, the scale factor of dilation is the ratio of the length in the image to the corresponding length to the original figure. The dilation is centered at origin, so you can find the image by multiplying the x and y coordinates by the scale factor. So how do you find? You have to multiply all the x and y coordinates by 2, right? By 4, because you have to scale by 4, right? So the coordinates of v are 1 1, so that would be for the new one they are 4 4. Hold on, you have to multiply them by v, they are 1 and 1. W, they are negative 1 and they are 1 and negative 1, so they are 4 and negative 4. Then U is negative 2 and 0, so they are negative 8 and 0. T is negative 2, negative 2, so you have to multiply. They are negative 8 and negative 8. So if you plot these points, you will get the dilated image, that is with a scale factor of 4. So just make the new parallelogram with this new. You have to multiply them by 4. They are 4 4. That's the scale. They are the This is the new with a scale factor of 4. Here it is. Okay, let's just match them. V is 4 and 4, so here is the V dash. You can see here x is 4 and y is 4, right? Then you have W. Here is W. W is 4 and negative 4. X is 4, y is negative 4. Then you have U is negative 8 and 0. Then you have T is negative 8 and negative 8, right? So you need to multiply all the factors by 4. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Graph the image triangle JKL after the dilation with a scale factor of 2. Scale factor of 2 means you have to multiply all the factors by 2, right? All the coordinates by 2. So the coordinates of L are L dash. The new coordinates are, that is 3 and 1. So 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 1 is 2. Then you have K dash. They are negative 5 and 1, right? So they are negative 10 and 2. Then you have J. They are negative 4 and negative 5 and negative 4. So negative 10 and negative 8. Let's just plot these points and make a dilated image. X is 2. L dash is 6 and 2. 6 and 2. Here is L dash. Okay. Then you have K dash is negative 10 and 2. Here is K dash. And J is negative 10 and negative 8. So the new triangle is this. This is the triangle after dilation, right? So the correct option is the second one is the correct option, right? You can match the coordinates of this one with the one you can match the coordinates, right? Here is L dash, here is K dash, and here is J dash, right? Okay, the next one is Graph the image of kite EFGH. You have to dilate all the factors by 5, right? Let's just see which is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. All the coordinates are multiplied by 5. So the new option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, so graph the image of square BCDE after the dilation with a scale factor of 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 means this is, you have to divide all the factors by 5, right? That means they are getting smaller. The square, the new square is smaller than the given one. Here is the dilated image because you need to divide all the factors by 5. So when you divide a number, you will get a smaller number. So the correct option is option number 2. Okay, the next one is graph the image of parallelogram TUVW after the dilation with a scale factor of 4 centered at the origin. So which is the correct option? Yes, that's the second one. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is dilation. Find the coordinates. Okay, let's just see how do we find the coordinates. Light the coordinates of the vertices after a dilation with the scale factor of 1 by 4, right? Let's just look at the coordinates. So the coordinates of T are 0 and 8, S are 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 and negative 4, U are 4 and 8, and R dash are R are negative 4, 4 and 4. You have to scale the factor 1 by 4, multiply all of them by 1 by 4, right? So T dash 0 times 1 by 4 is 0, 1 by 4 times 8 is 2, 0 times 1 by 4 is 0, negative 4 times 1 by 4 is negative 1. Then you have U, that would be 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 4 is 8. R dash is negative 1 and negative 1. So here is the depth factors of the dilated image. When you multiply it by the fraction, they are getting smaller. So the dilated image is smaller than the original one, right? That's how you can find the coordinates of the dilated image. Let's just start with the test questions. Write the coordinates of the vertices after a dilation with the scale 1 by 2. Okay, you have to use the scale 1 by 2. Let's just look at the coordinates. The coordinates of M are 1, 2, 3, 4. M 4 and 8. N is 4 and 0. L is 2 and negative 2. And K is 2 and negative 10. So you have to multiply them 1 by 2. So M dash is 2, 4. N is 2, 0. N dash is 2, 0. L dash is 1 negative 1, and K dash is 1 and negative 5, right? So which is the correct option? You are given two of the options, just match and see which is the correct option. So option number 1 is the correct option. Write the coordinates of the vertices after a dilation with a scale factor of 3 centered at the origin. So which is the correct option? So the factors are mm, F is 3 and 1, right? You have to multiply by 3, so that would be 9 and 3. G is 2 and 1, that would be negative 2 and 1, 6, negative 6 and 3. E is 2 negative 1, that is 6 negative 3. D is 3 and 1, that would be 9 and 3. So option number 1 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is dilation, scale factor, and classification. The orange shape is a dilation of the black shape. Is it an enlargement or a reduction? So the black shape is smaller. The orange one is bigger one. That means the dilation is an enlargement. Yes, that is an enlargement. Let's just start with the test questions. The blue shape is a dilation of the black shape. Is it an enlargement or reduction? Enlargement it is, right? From black to red, that is an enlargement. Because black one is small and the blue one is the bigger one, so that is an enlargement. The blue shape is a dilation of the black shape. What is the scale factor of the dilation? Okay, you have to find the scale factor, right? Hold on. The factors of this one is 2, 1, and this one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and 3. So 2 times 3 is 6 and 1 times 3 is 3. That means the scale factor is 3. That is the enlargement by the scale factor of 3. The correct option is 3. That is an enlargement. The correct option is enlargement. The green shape is the dilation of the black shape. Is it enlargement or a reduction? That is enlargement. The green shape is the dilation of the black shape. Is it enlargement or dilation? The green is the dilated one, right? So that means that is the reduction, right? Okay, that is reduction. The blue shape is the dilation of the black shape. What is the scale factor of the dilation? That is 1/4. The correct option is 1/4. The blue shape is the dilation of the black shape. Is it enlargement or reduction? Yes, reduction it is. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 8 math. Chapter we're working on is transformation and similarity. The lessons we have covered today are similar and congruent figures, dilation graph the image, dilations find the coordinate, and dilation scale factor and classification. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday 5 to 9, or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So that's all for today. If you have any questions related to the lesson, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any.